Okay.
So did you remember that how to create a business partner?
Yeah.
Okay, so the same way we can create a custom master card also. So it is not our task, but just understanding purpose will create that custom master card. Okay. O- Okay, so let's
Mhm.
create the custom master card. So in a business partner, what we are doing first,
BP.
we are creating the BP, right? So here also we'll plan to create a BP, business partner. So for that, what we need to do, we need to first set up that. Can I able to see my screen?
Wait. Yeah.
Okay. So first you need to set up that account group for vendor, right? For creation of vendor master record.
Vendor. Yeah.
Okay. So
Vendor
here,
group.
yeah, here we are creating the customer account group. Okay. So how we are creating for vendor master card, the same way we can do for customer also. Okay, we need to create a for customer the account group. Okay, so what customer group, it may be sold to party. Okay, and or it may be the export related, or it may be something like payment related. Okay, so different customers we can create based on the account group. Okay, so let's go with customer master card here. So where is that business partners? Okay, so business partner here, and go to customer. Here you can go to control, and in the control you can create the define number ranges, and okay, that's for
Mhm.
okay. So account group for a customer. Okay, so here you can create sold to party, payer, bill to pay party, competitor, sales partner, like ship to party. Like you can create your how you want the customer. Okay, how which like he's the part of the sold to party, or he's a part of sell to ship to party, or he's a part of the sales partner or competitor. How he is like. So we can use, we can create our own, we can create our own customized also. Okay, so I'm just creating this something which like just cuts. Okay, or you can put that sold to party like SP
Mhm.
STP. Okay, sold to party. So I'll just put the sold to party. Okay, just putting testing, and here again the same which how we did for vendor account group, same one time account, and okay, number range. Okay, all the parameters it is the competitor, he is the competitor, or he is the sales partner, or he is the consumer. Okay, like they are dividing like that. Okay, so we just want to copy, I'm just creating copying that. Okay, save. Okay, so ZSTP I have created, and you can create your own number range also. Okay, define number ranges, and you can see here the number range interval you can create, and you can assign to the your uh, interval, what interval it is assigned to the your account group, that you can assign. Okay,
Mhm.
clear. So here it was there 01 to 30, so already 20 was done. Okay, so if you want to create your own, you can create intervals, and create your own interval, and you can assign that. So you can see the free intervals, and you can assign that. Okay, so that you
Mhm.
can do that, right? So let me first will go to the BP creation. Okay, so where is the BP creation? How to go to BP creation?
BP.
BP creation, business partner role, BP role. We created BP role, right? So did you remember
Okay.
that? BP role, BP grouping we created, right? So where we
Mhm.
need to go? We need to go to cross application, right? So cross application, and here again you can go to the business partner, SAP business partner here, SAP business partner, and here you can see the basic partner roles and all it is there, right? BP
Mhm.
roles and all it is there, correct? So
Mhm.
for customers also, maybe you can create your own role to when you are assigning to that role. Okay, the system will be creating the customer. Okay, so for vendor master record it is FLV, right? So here you can see FLC, starts with FLC. So This FLC 00 and 01. These two are the customer related. One is ST customer, that means shipping, sales and distribution data is created when you are using this BP role. When you are using this BP role, you are creating company code data. So what is our vendor master record role, BP role? What is our business partner role?
FLCU.
FLV. FLV is our role.
FLB for the vendor,
So
right?
vendor, right?
For the
Yeah,
for the
FLV and
supplier.
FLV 90. Okay, so they should not change anything, the description. Okay, so this is for FLV N00, FLV N001. Okay, so these two for vendor master record. Like in the customer master record, we have FLC
FLC.
001, FLC 02. Okay, so clear this one. BP role. Okay, so when you are trying to create any BP as a customer, you need to extend to the this company code data and shipping, sales and distribution data. Same like and vendor master record also. If you want to be extend to the company code data, vendor master record, and if you want to be extend to the vendor master record to purchasing organization data, these two you can use that. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, so this is for BP role. Okay, and here you can see that number range and grouping, right? So this is the key point, right? So what grouping you are creating, okay, and you are assigning to your number range, okay, whether it is external or internal number range, okay. So make sure that if it is external, there is if you want to be use same similar number range, what you need to do at the grouping level, you have to put that same unique number, and you have to create same number range interval for both in the grouping level also, in the grouping level also, in the accounting grouping level also, right? Clear?
Okay.
So you know, right, that you know, right? So going to number range, and what is the number range which we have? We started with 01, right? So let's see if there is any number range starting with 01. So it's already somewhere it is there. Okay, let's see where it is starting with 1. Where it is starting with 1. Let's see. Number one. So I can see here 50 is there. Then I need to go somewhere 49 should be there. Right, it's up to somewhere it is 49 is there. That 49. Okay, so here I can see somewhere 20 is there. Where is the 20? Here 20 is there, 11 to 20. Okay, so this one, see, this is also no. So this is 11 to 20. That means somewhere they have assigned 1 to 10. So, so they are using multiple way of this. Where is 1, 1, 1, 10? Where you can see the 10? Here you can see the 1 to 10. That means this number range is already created, 1 to 10. Okay. So if you want to be used this number range, it is already used somebody and they created already, right? So we need to check that what free intervals it is there. Okay, 7, 9, all 4, 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 6 zeros are there. Let's see in the there also if it is there or not there. Customer master record also. Okay, so we'll open customer master record again, the down. Where you have to go? You have to go to logistical general. Okay, logistical general. Where is the logistical general? Okay, so here logistical general is there. So I'll go to logistical general and business partner. So what is my assumption? I need the same number range for my customer has a BP number range and a customer number. So I want to use the same unique number, correct? So for that what we were trying to do, so since I have created my own, what I have created a sold to party, right? STP. That sold to party, it is assigned 01. this 01 number range, what number range it is assigned? It is assigned the number range of what number range it is assigned? 01. Number range 01 is having the 1 to 30. So that means mostly we cannot use this number range because it's already used in the BP level also. So what I can do, I will try to use some other number range. Okay, so let's see what free interval it is there. What it is there here. 90 series right there. 90.
So,
This is also not possible, I think, mostly. Okay, so what let me try to do. Okay, I just copying this one. Okay, the number range, I'll just copy this one and I will create one number range for this one. Okay, so let's see how to create number range. So you go to interval, change interval, go to interval, free intervals, go to free intervals and select that what number range you want to paste in. Okay, so let's take this number range 90 series. Okay, how it is like, why it is so long here, this is, okay, I'll just go to this number range. Okay, and what it happened, this is the number range which is created. So what I will try to do here, I'll be taking series of 8. So what I'm trying to do, so 8 after 6 zeros, right, it is there. 1 and 2 and 3. So I'll be go with so how many zeros are there? Zeros. Okay, so same number I'm using here also. Okay, with 9 just. Okay, now this is my number I have defined 02. So this 02 I have defined now, so it's overlaps to the interval B1. Somewhere it is already defined. Okay, so 8 series is there. I will just change here 7999999. Okay, so now it won't be impact. Okay, so so let's go again. So first change the B1. So let's first change the B1 with 7999 just because this is overlapping that. So first save this one, then we'll define our own number range. Okay, so set 02 and 8 series and this one. Okay, and just again B2 it's overlapping. See that B2 it is 8100 series and 9 series only. Okay, it's already there here. Okay, then I can use B2. I can use B2. Okay, directly I can use B2. It's already defined. So I'll be assigning this B2 first. I'll put 0 here. I'll put 0 here, and I'll put here 899 here. Okay, so B2 I have to remove first. So go to change and B2 I will go to 0 and what number range I need 8 all 9 just I need. Okay, so say this B2 I'm assigning to the my custom master group. What is my custom master group? I have created Z STP I have created.
ZSTP. Okay.
Okay, so I'm changing this one and B2 I am assigning. Okay, so B2 means it is starting with 8 series, right? B2 means it is started, right?
Yeah.
So I have the same number, interval is open in my BP level, right? So that's what I understood. Let's see how many. Okay, I'll go for again, go up little up, go to BP creation, BP creation, and go to BP grouping. I'll be creating my own grouping. I will go defining that new group, which I am anything which I can do. So I'll create same. Okay, so and just understanding purpose, I'll just put in same. Okay, so or else I'll just copy something. I'll just copy. So I'll just copy some anything which you can to change, and ZSTP. And what is the number range? We need to define first number range. Okay, let's go back. First, copy this one. Okay, so I'll remove this one. The STP already there. It's already there. It is telling. Let me check that. Okay, if somebody is already created or not. Cost applications, and go to SAP Business Partner, and go to Business Partner. Go to Basic Settings. Business roles. Okay, so these business roles are completed. Number ranges. Now let's go to define grouping. What is the grouping? ZSTP somebody created already. No, it's not created. Okay, I'll just copy something. Okay, I'll just copy and ZSTP. And this is for grouping for customer master card, right? Customer sold to party. Okay, sold to party I have created, and here also I'll change the same naming, and I'll be changing. First I have to define number range, but I just save first, then I'll be defining my number range. So what is the number range I have to define? Because I want to go with unique number, right? So what unique number it is, like 8 all zeros, 6 zeros, right? So I'll go and go to 8 zeros, 1 2 3. So this is what we have, right? We can use this one. Okay, so this is what we can do, and this you can define if you want. You can define if it is not overlapping. Somewhere it is overlapping. 05 it's already overlapping. No, sorry, JD is already overlapping. Where is JD? Where is the JD? If somebody not use that JD, okay, they are already using this one. Okay, so we can use this JD 151, right? So I will go for JD 151 because I want to use same number range. Okay, I don't want to use that. So I will be go to JD, right? I will be assigning the JD here. STP and JD. I will be going to create the JD. Okay. So one I have to put external number range. One I have to put internal number range. So I will put that external number range. Okay. Which one I have to put? External number range. I have to go down. There is the account group level which I have created. That I have to put the external number range. So where is that? This is the grouping. Okay, logistical general and business partner. This business partner level. Okay, and BP customer master card and control, and here I'll be taking the number range which I have defined. Okay, assign number range which is assigned ZSTP for what number range is assigned B2. So this B2, what I'm trying to do, go to B2. This B2 I'm changing to 151. Okay, then it will be same, right? And I'll be using for external number range. So still it is not created. Even one document also not created, I can use, right? Correct? So from same number range. Now I'm trying to use same number range, 8 all zeros 151. Maybe this is the different number. Okay, it's okay. That's number. Maybe at least if the same number range, if you want, I have to go there and I have to check that exactly what number it is defined. Again I have to go up. Define number range, and what is the H1? What is the defined? 5 series J something, it is JD, right? JD. So here also it is there, no problem. Okay. So now here I have JD, and there also it is the same number range. So now what I can do, business synchronization. So I'll just put business synchronization. Okay. So go to business, so master data synchronization, sorry, not business, master data synchronization. There you have to do BP customization, and here you can go to synchronization master data and go to compare. No, this one, where it's gone. Sorry, here somewhere. Okay. So here you can check the business partner role, setting up business partner grouping, missing anything which is there you can define here. Same like supplier also you can check. Okay. Here you have to check the people also. Okay. This is okay. And where is the synchronization? Synchronization control, and we're missing here. Where we need to go? Here, synchronization, business part master data synchronization. I need to go. Customer, okay, customer integration, business partner setting, and customer setting customer, BP role to business to customer. So here this is BP role category. Okay. So then design keys, define number range for BP to customer. So here, what is your group? ZSTP, right? So, so I have to assign that ZSTP. Okay. So this is what I have customer group, and account group, the same which I created for customer group, and the same number range you want, put the same number range and save. So if it is same number range only, it will accept, or else it won't be accepted. Okay. So now I have created my own customer group and the customer BP group also. So what I can do, directly I can create BP, okay, business partner, and you can create first organization, maybe business partner, organization, person, or anything which you can create. Then what you can do, if you want to create what you want to create, customer master record, file, sales data or company code data, what you want to can create. Okay, and create. And what is the grouping we created? We created ZSTP.
GSTP.
Okay, so now you can put customer something like XYZ or something. Okay, so then customer, what you the address and all, whatever or it is there, you can fill that. Okay, and other details I'm just filling that. Okay, so okay, so I'm just filling that. Then what we can do here, go to control data. Okay, sorry, you can go to here, customer general data. You can see here the account, it is connected to, or this grouping is connected to my account group, which is ZSTP. Okay, clear? Same, it is how we did for vendor master card. Here also we can do directly same. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So save.
Yeah.
So any mandatory fields are there, you can create. Now it is created 8000161. So here also it is created customer number 800. So BP number and customer number is same. Okay, and you can maintain now company code data. What company code it is created, you can maintain that. Okay, what is our company code which we created? Do you remember that?
APPL.
APPL, right? Yeah, we created APPL. So I'm just extending to that. Not available business partner. So we have to extend. Okay, we have to create that. So now change and put APPL and maintain that what its mandatory fields. Okay, you can maintain that whatever the mandatory fields it is. Okay, so these are all which is for only for customer creation. Okay, so no need to worry. If you know, then just create. Okay, or else you can leave. No problem. Okay, I'm just maintaining whatever it is mandatory fields, but my point of view, this reconciliation account is a mandatory field, and if you go for other also, it is okay. We need to be extend some payment terms and any other fields which is, but now I'm not putting that. I'm just saving this one. Okay. Now what else we have to extend? Customer company code data is extended. Now I will be extending to sales data. So when I'm just selected sales data, automatically you can maintain the sales information related. Okay. So FLV FLC U01. Okay. If you created for FLV and 00, it is for vendor. Okay. Now it is a customer sales. Okay. So go to sales data and you need to maintain here. Okay, so I will be change mode and maintain. What is the my APPPL which I have created,
Yeah, so
and I have
I think,
created
yeah.
AP, and I have created AP. This division is AP, right? So I have created this one, my division, my distribution channel, my I have created. Okay, so something which is gone. So it is telling it's not created. Okay, you need to create. Okay, I'll just create now. Just check if it is does not exist. Sales area is not does not exist. That
Sales
means
area, right?
so I have not extended this tree combination. We didn't maintain that. Okay, let's try. So okay, now we need to create the sales area. Okay, or we can change that. Okay, what combination it is there, you can change it. So I'll create. Okay, I'll just go to SPRO, enterprise structure, sales area. That day we stopped, right? We didn't assign the sales area, so we'll just assign that setup sales area and assign the our combination. So you are creating that. Okay, somebody is opening, somebody is using already. So since it's locked, I'll just delete somebody using that entry. Sorry, SM12. Okay, so just deleting that. So somebody using this same customer master record. So this is the customer master record they are using. So if you want, you can delete it because somebody they are using, or else if you want to wait for some time, you can wait and try some time later. Okay, so we'll try
Yeah.
we'll try one more time. Okay, or else we'll delete. Okay, so I'll just go back again. I'll try here, set up sales area. Oh no, it's still locked by this user, somebody using already this. Okay, so what we can do, we can remove that lock entries by using SM12. You can search by username what it is there they are using. Okay, so you can see down they are using these three tables which is relevant to the our okay, I'm just deleting these three. If they are deleted, they will be gone from that screen. Usually in a real time you should not do, but practicing purpose I'm just deleting that. Okay,
Yeah.
go to setup sales area. Now I'll be set up for my sales area, that is APPL, and distribution channel AP and division AP. Already it is there already, but why it's not coming for us? Okay, let me try check again. APPL, AP and AP. So this combination already it is there. We already maintained this one. Okay, so go to, if you want to maintain sales of face and all, it's okay. Don't need to put that. And so let me assign. Okay, it is also already. It is already there. Okay. Okay, this also it is there already. Okay, and this is also set up is there. Sorry, APPL, AP and APP1. So this setup also it is there. Okay, so all setup is there. Okay, so let me try again. So if anything which is there, okay, so this is okay. Let me try again. Go to, this is the number business partner. So I'll go to again slash n BP and use the BP number by BP number, enter, double click on that, and now I'm just assigning this one, okay, and division. That does not exist, so let me assign something, save. Any mandatory fields are there, you need to fill that. Shipping condition, okay, so still it is not accepting to create for orders, so some data which is missing. So see that what is the message exactly. This is some customized related. This is some customized, it is not standard. Sales area does not exist. So it's not trying to create, okay. We'll try with some other combination. Let's see if it will work or not. Okay, let me search the sales areas what it is there actually. So sales areas what it is there. It is not no, it's not created, right? Still if it is not created it won't be displayed. So why it is not displaying the PPL? We have three combinations, PPL. Why distribution channels is coming 10? So why our distribution channel which is not coming here? So there is some configuration which is missing, right? So it is checking somewhere. Okay, so let me maybe I'll just create with the same. I don't want to waste the time, it's okay. So now I'm just assigning that what it is mandatory and all. I'm just creating, okay. So it may be somewhere so partner IDs and customer sales area and therapy. To fill the partners SP, sold to part we have to assign. Let me try to assign the same. Let me assign to this one. Okay. Not sure it will take or not because it's not created still. Sometimes it will take automatically. Okay. So we'll back again. Okay, we'll create again. Why? Because I have went to partners, right? Directly I went to partners, so it is considering that partners what it is mandatory. It was usually if you are not selecting that, okay, so not available. Okay, so I'm change. I'm not selecting the partner functions because it should be automatically come. If you have different shipping partner functions are there, then you can select that. But for now I'm just creating that, but still it is asking that partner ID for partners. partner role SP. Okay, it is mandatory, but it should be take automatically internal. It depends on the configuration how it is assigned. Okay, so I will assign some ID. Maybe I will just assign some ID, but again it will check that company code and all, it will be checked. So partner ID for partner roles, SP customer in the sales area. So what customer it is we have to assign. Let me try any of that, or else we will remove this. So PPL, okay, I'll assign same. Let's try. It's okay. Let me try this one to create. So it will come because the customer what you assign, that customers are not relevant to this ID. So it will come like that. Okay. So we need to remove these partners are the mandatory. Okay, so business partners have to remove. Sorry, in the configuration we have to remove the partners. So we'll go for partner determination. Sales and distribution. See where we can find. Okay, these are all. Don't worry, we don't need. So first of all, you need to update this the common distribution also, because if you are not updated this one, no, so it won't be allowed to create a sales order later. Okay, so I'm just to maintain this APPL, AP and AP. This is, I think this is because of this, I think it is coming 10 automatically. I'll just maintain this one also. This is the one distribution channel which is need to maintain, and division also have to maintain. Common distribution channel, common division one. Just let me save this one. And we'll talk about the business this partner functions. So common distribution also. Okay, APPL and AP. So APPL, AP have divided. So it's assigned now. So now I think it will be allowed. Okay, so leave it about that. So now customers and customer hierarchy, sales, shipping, billing, document. So the assign sales areas, assign groups. These are all relevant to customers. So this is for the customer hierarchy. Okay, this is also not required that much of thing. We'll see later. But I just want to go for this partner functions. I want to stop partner function because it should not ask partner functions. You can directly create it. Okay, let me try one more time. But if it is asking again, we'll come here. So now let me try. Let me check my APPL, which is coming with the AP. Earlier it is coming 10, right? Now I'll be going with APPL. So now my combination we got. Okay, because we are assigned the common communication distribution channel, common distribution channel and all. Okay, but the problem is here partner functions will be there. So this partner functions SP role, make sure that it is should be created with the sales partner ID, partner role. We have to assign. Okay, so this is not accepting to save also. At least if it's saving, then it's okay, but it's not saving. So what account group level, let me check any setting is there. This partner function. Go to where we can go to customer account group. Estical general, and the business partners, and this business partners at customer level, and control, and here go to our account group, customer account group. Where is the customer account group here? This one. So go to here and check get STP. Just STP testing, and you can see that here anywhere it is the partners. Okay, this sold to party is a partner determination. So I'll just remove first. Okay, let me remove first. Later we'll discuss about this. Is not a mandate for us. Okay, I'm just removing this one. Okay, now let's see. I'll be trying to create BP. Okay, why I'm creating customer? Because I want to create something, some sales order at SD side. Create. Okay, now I'm just trying to create this combination. I'm creating the sales district. Okay, I'm just whatever the information which is mandatory, I'm just pulling it. Okay, and here for this customer, who is the delivering plant? So I'll put my main plant, delivering plant APP on, or you can put APP to on. Then I will save. Now it won't asking that. Okay, because it's updated. It won't be asking business partner because that business partner functions I removed that. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Okay, now this creator has a customer. Now this is created as a customer. Okay, so earlier we created vendor master card, now we created customer master card. So there is no difference, right? So all it is similar, only BP role was different, even BP grouping, everything we can. So if you want to be use the same number for vendor master card, what you need to do? You can define same number range for the vendor account group also. Okay, so that
Yeah.
you can assign that. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So that means the customer and vendor we can use same number range. It's not needed different number range. But in ECC, if you are using that same number range, it will give error because you are already using for vendor master card, can't be used for a customer master card same number. So, but here we can use the same number, that BP number for both customer and vendor.
Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is where we can create the customer master card. Okay, and now to create the customer sales order VA01, that VA01, here you can give the sales organization, distribution channel, division, and sales office. If you have sales office, you can enter the sales office and sales group. This is for a customer. This is for customer order. That means sales order. Okay, what is the transaction code? VA01. VA01. Okay, this is for ST. Okay, and how we have the standard document type for PO, NB, UB like that. Here also we have the some order types which is like OR. Okay, you can see that OR. OR is the order type which is for standard order. Okay, so I think they have removed some, but this OR is the standard OR. Okay, standard order. Okay, so like we have so many order types are there for sales order. Okay, so what I will try to do, I will be go to table level. Okay, I will go to table level and VBAP, which is for customer master card or customer order, or VBAK, which is for customer order header and item. So I will take recently who created. I just want the reference of the delivery order type. Okay, I don't want to be used because I don't want to be waste the time. If somebody is created, that means it's already active that order type. You can use that order type. Okay, so here you can see that OR1 is there. Okay, so OR is there, OR1 is there, recently created 1915, right? So, okay, so I'll just, okay, this is I have created. Huh? No, my number is 28, right? My number is 28, it's 26, somebody is created. Okay, so I'll take this reference. Okay, I'll just take reference. What you can do, go to VA01, go to VA01. Okay, and you can give the all the details and give OR here. Okay, and go to reference. In reference, I can create. Okay. Okay, so once you created over, I think somebody they have created or deleted the over. Okay, or you are not defined your order type to the your sales area. That is what the error it is giving. So what you need to do? You need to define your order type. When you defining, you have to allow to the your sales area. So let's see where it is there. Maybe the combinations order type. Let's see, or else I will go from there only. The error message which we got, right? There only I can go. So I'll just enter here and it will give some error, right? From here we'll see what is the error. Combination with combined and permitted order type to cloud. I think we did already combine sales organization and distribution to there. I think we need to do the permitted order types to the sales area. So they have so many restrictions at sales area level. This sales organization should not be used these order types, like they have so many restrictions, the combinations. Okay, so we'll go to that and we'll assign that. Okay, order types. Clear?
Yeah.
Let me wait for some time. చెప్పు. నేను కాల్లో ఉన్నా డ్రైవింగ్. నేను వచ్చాను. పంపించు. బా. Okay, so it was taking a little bit time, right? Permitted order types, it's not going that way. So we'll search manually. Maybe we'll search in the okay, search in the online. So I'll try both way. Okay, wherever it is coming first, we'll go for that. I'll close this one. This is not required. Lock it. So what we did as of now, we just create our custom master card. Okay, and we are using that custom master card. We are creating the sales order. Okay, I will tell you why we are creating sales order, why it is necessary to us. For third party and all creation, third party process to creation, we need this process. Okay, so to at least we need to understand how it is creating. Okay, because you need to do some practice, right? So
Yeah.
this is not our part, but anyway we just I need that part, how to go to that part. Or else we'll go for manually. We can find manually also. No problem. Go to SPRO, F5, and go to sales and distribution. Let's see where we can find sales and distribution, and go to sales and sales document and the sales document order, sales document types here, maintain sales document, sales fashion, number ranges, these are all sales documents types. Okay, the sales documents to order region, what is this? Sales organization, sales document type and order region. This is okay, this is not order permitted. Okay, this is their assigned sales area to sales document type. So here we'll go to this combination. So somebody, I think I am only logged somewhere. It is going there. So let me close this one. Okay, so new entries. So new entries, then maintain or combination. What is the combinations we created? APPL, okay, and AP is a distribution channel division, AP and OR. Okay, so first define APPL, AP is a general sales area. So why it is not there? General, okay, first let's go. I think there is a setting which is needed for sales area level also, sales organization level also. Okay, so first we'll go here. I'll go from here. Combined sales organization. Let's see. APPL. Okay, this reference sales organization. Okay, I'll just change this one. Edit. Blocked by other user. Who are blocked? Did I open somewhere? Okay, no. Edit. Okay, now search. My sales organization reference is APL. Let me try with the same thing. Check existing conversion of distribution channel. Okay, let me check this one. Okay, distribution channels. So many settings are there. Huh? So many settings are there. APPL, AP, combination of AP distribution channels, AP. So this combination I'm saving. So most probably we are doing ST complete process. Huh? We are doing so many settings of ST, sales and distribution. It's good. You can learn ST also.
Yeah.
Okay, so setup is done and division, go to division and see APPL. APPL, AP, APPL, AP and AP. So this setup I done now. So okay, so now I can do my setup for APPL, AP for order OR. It is taking a little bit time. Huh? We'll wait for the few minutes. So any questions till that what we did? It is almost common what we did for business partner. We just referring that, revising that how to create a BP with customer MasterCard. And
Yeah.
how we created for vendor MasterCard, just revising that that how we can create for customer MasterCard. Okay. So now the setup for APPL. Sorry, APPL. Go to APPL. APPL. Sorry. IP and OR. So now it will allow. Okay. Bas. So now I can create using that. I can create using that sales order, sales organization distribution channel division. I can create a sales order. Okay, so this combination I can go with that. But now problem with the customer, I just need any some reference. If there's any sold to party order number is there, I can use that reference and create, or I can directly enter. Enter the sold to party. What is the sold to party we created? That sold to party you can go to that BP and sold to party and ship to the business partner and customer number same. So I'm using that same. Okay. So this BP button it has not created as a sold to party. So what you need to do again, go to BP level and assign this BP has a sold to party. Means we have to assign the roles. Okay. So whatever the roles it is there, you have to assign now. So what is the role? SP is the sold to party. Okay. Sorry. SP is the sold to party and I have to assign same number. Now it will allow or not. We have to try. Okay. So deleted. Partner funds are deleted. So now I will go to. Okay, so it will be not saving because the partner funds are deleted. So I'll go to now customer group level, article general level, and go to business partner level, and go to customers, and go to customer account group control, and go to assign the number range and group account group, and my TP is sold to party having the have deleted this partner price determination, no? So that's why it's not allowing. So I can take any of the business partners. So I'll be sold to party. I can take or something which I can take. If it is so. Okay. So now let me try again. Now we'll get same error or different errors we'll get. Okay. So business partner and now what we got, but let me try whether it will accept or not accept. It's not defined for SP. So this customer I have to define as for SP. So so it is not allowing. It should come automatically. Actually internally it should come internally. If I assign something else, system not accepting. If I assign this one, system not accepting. So we have only one. Not defined shift order. So what is the TPAKD table? TPAKD table. So partners, basic partners, sales and distribution, defined partner functions, customer personal, account group assignment. So go to here, we'll see that partner. Okay. Go to SPRO. If SAP reference IMG, then what is the combination here? Sales and distribution and basic functions. Sales and distribution and basic functions. Basic functions. Okay. Then basic functions, then partner determination. Okay. Partner determination. Where is the partner determination? Okay. Partner determination. Set up partner determination. Customer and supplier, sales and distribution division. Okay. So set up partner, define partner function, customer card. Okay, so it I have opened somewhere. I'll go outside from there. Okay, so I'll go from here. I'll come to here. So partner determination we are using WA. So partner functions, which is putting like SAP parties not changeable and partner mandatory. So I'll just put this one as optional, and bill to party and also I'll just put optional. Okay, save. So the problem is here how it will be defining that. Okay, so defining group. So our group is, what is our group? ZSTP, right? So our level also have to be assigned a partner determination. Okay, and what is the partner SP, sold to party? This is a partner type and this is okay. Account group level, what it will be allowed. So SP can be allowed for ZSTP. Yes, I'm just assigning that. Okay, PP, go to PP also. I'm assigning my, so these two is enough for, okay, let's go for at least now. Okay, now we'll try again creating BP, go to BP. Again I'm just going with that. So I'm just clearing that what errors we got. Okay, so this is for partner business partners. Okay, even we also have the partner determination, we also have the same partner determination. Okay, so try to understand what we are trying to do. So where there is a roles are missing, we are just adding, we are trying to add that roles. Okay, clear? So now here don't have new entries, huh? Don't have new entries here. Okay, so then how we can maintain this? Go to change, let's see change. Okay, then SP sold to party, I'm just assigning manually. Okay, it is coming automatically, and PP it's coming automatically. Save. Okay, now it's maintained. Now let's see VA01, go to VA01, enter. Now system try to assign my shift party, sold to party. I think shift party is not assigned and no pricing determination is not assigned. So one is shift party is not assigned. So what is the shift party? So what is the shift party here? We have to check what is the SP or something which is. So let me again go to again partner determination, go to sales and distribution, go to sales and distribution and basic functions, and where it is, where it is, where we end to, which one it is. Went to here only, right? So master data, basic function, price and tax. Okay, partner determination, set up partner determination and customer. Here we are trying to do our partner determination A, WA, and partner function should be, what is shift to party here? Shift to party, where is shift to party here? It's okay, shift to party is not mandatory, but if we can have that, we can assign that shift to party. So here it's anyway, it's not there in the shift to party here. Okay, if you want to go with that, can search shift to party what it is there. So we can assign what is the shift to party here as such. SP done as such, I think shift to party or something. Shift to party, okay. And save. And same we can do at a partner functions account grouping level also, searching for SP, and you can assign SH, go to SH and you can assign our account group. So it will be allowed to maintain that as well. Okay, so no problem. But now pricing procedure. So pricing procedure we got, right? So pricing procedure, how it will be determined? Again, that is a different process to determine in the customer's record. In the customer's record, okay, I will just assign first SH. It will take automatically save. Okay. Now in the billing, no, in the billing, no, not in billing. It will be in the orders. delivery priority. Here in the orders there will be a field price determination. Okay, that price determination you can select. So if you have the sales group and sales fields and all, you can assign this here, no problem. APPL and sales group, you have sales group, that is also it's okay. And this customer group, okay, customer group, wholesaler, industry, retailer. So based on this whole customer group also, it will be identifying that what pricing parameters should become. Okay, clear? So start delivery priority. Again, if you have delivery priority, you can order priority first and order priority to, it's medium priority for this customer, like that you can maintain. Complete delivery and all you have to maintain. Okay, let me check now if anything which is there. VA01 and enter. Now it will be allowed ship to party and sold to party also. Okay, so now pricing determination was done. So it will be maintained that necessary priority pricing pressure determined that APP this combination, existing combination in the T683V. So this combination the pricing pressure has to assign. So many settings are there, right? So many things, pricing pressures for early contracts and everything will be there. So here again the combination. So there are so many restrictions. Each sales organization level, distribution channel level, division. So you can understand how very important the sold to party, ship to party and all. Very important, right? So now which pricing pressure and all they have to use and all, also you need to check properly which pricing pressure they are using and they are using what. Okay, commission based domestic pricing pressure, how they are using and all, you can try to check. Now this pricing pressure, set document pricing pressure. Now assign document to the order types. So order type level you can define the domestic pricing pressure, A, standard document type, A, okay, and set pricing pressure determination. Again the combination which will come, how it is determining the pricing pressure. So APPL and AP and AP. So this combination, sales area combination. Again, what is the document pricing pressure which we assign? This combination system is checking that what pricing pressure it is assigned. Okay, so customer pricing pressure we are assigned one. So that field also we need to check what field it is assigned. Okay, so let me assign any code pricing pressure which is there. I don't know what pricing pressure they have standard. So we can assign any of the pricing pressure. If it looks like good, then we'll assign. Okay, I'll try to use this one. Okay. So AP. This is also AP. This is also AP. APPL and AP. So here this is for 0. I'm just inserting A here and here. This for 2, something which is there. Okay. So I'm inserting same pricing pressure here also. Sorry, PR00. Okay, so now what we need to do while you creating customer master record, you need to assign this customer pricing procedure. This customer pricing procedure will be there in the BP level, that customer master record level. Okay, so sorry, we can go here back. Just setting our customer master record with all the pricing procedure and all. Okay, so where is the customer pricing procedure that we need to find first? Where is the customer pricing procedure? I am currently open, somewhere it's open already. Okay, I'll be going again, BP. I'm just going to the change. Okay, now here you have to check where the customer pricing group is there. So based on the customer pricing group only, it will be picking. So find that where the customer pricing group is there. So let's see where the customer pricing group is there. Okay, I think this is the customer pricing group, or it is something different. Let me check F1. This is customer group, it's not customer pricing group. Customer group according to the organization assigned to the customer group to estimate either customer master record or third party. So put the additional data. Okay, let me share this one. I not finding that customer pricing group here, but let me check in the general data. I don't think in the general data will be there in the customer master record. Let me check here. Any customer pricing group is there? I don't think here it will be there. Okay, here also it's not there. Okay, so transport data and additional data, here also it is not there. Okay, so let me check that group was. Now we assign so many things, but let's see if it still works or not. Okay, so let me check. Oh, now it's good. So customer order, I'll just put in some reference. Customer order something XYZ1, something which I'm just putting. Now it's getting all. Okay, the incoterms you can assign all, which you can assign that. So still it's not completed. So our material, it should be extended to what material we created for our plant. Our plant, what we created, APPV1, yesterday we created, right? So APP1 that material 809093 should be extended to our sales organization distribution channel division. So go to /MM01 8093 which I created. Okay, that should be extended to sales organization data. Okay, so if needs to be extended to sales organization data, that means it should be allowed that material type. What is the material type for 8093 which I created? Let's see in MM60 what is the material type. So MM60, go to execute. What is the material type? This material type is ST01, some ST01. So go to /n OMS2 material type level. I'm allowing to this ST01 material type. Okay, ST01 material type. Select this material type, execute, and to extend our sales views, If you want to be allowed to this material type to the sales data and all, you need to select here sales data to allow. So I'm just putting here save. So this we already discussed when we created material type, no? The combination. So
Yeah.
okay. So now again I'm just trying to extend my material to sales data. Okay.
Sales.
So now sales data is allowing now to create. Okay. So enter. Then maintain our sales data. What it is there? APPL and AP. Okay. And division should be 01. No, we have division 0, not 01. We make sure that AP. Okay. So let me go first. Okay, here also we have the material price group. Okay, so normal spare parts related what it is there, you can use that. Okay, so I'll create new material because division already assigned. This loading group and all, how you are using that cranes. Okay, the loading, how you are trying to do crane or manually or some JCBs, how they are using that, you can put that. Okay, so that is okay. And transportation group again, you can use what it is there, transportation group on pallets, on liquid form, or how we are doing that. Okay, so here also they have the material group, packing material group, packing materials and all, it will be there. Okay, so I'll be creating a new material. Okay, I'll be creating the new material MM01 by referring to the A093. Okay, I'm referring to the A093. I'll creating a new material group, so it's okay. I'm extending to the sales data also. Okay, organizational level and APPL. So this is material master which we are extending to the our sales organization distribution channel division. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
We just trying to do with referring to the existing which we created already this material. Okay, so now my division should be AP. Okay, because I created with the sales area combination AP. So AP. Okay. So I am changing that and I'll just remove this cross plan material status with we want to use that material, and I'll just copying all other information what it is else which we needed. Sales organization data, sales data, all I'm just extending to that. Sales text if you want to be entered, anything, all this information which I'm extending that. Okay. Sales organization to, okay, all we can do. Okay, order it is same, all order units, all it is same, which I'm just going with that. Save. Okay. So what I did now, I have created a 094 with my sales organization distribution channel division. So VA01, I can go to here using my own customer, my own sales area data, all I can use same, and even I can use the my own materials. What is the material number? A0?
893.
93 or 94?
94, the new one. Yeah.
94, right? 93 the older one, 94 it is, okay. So I have created 8094. So now system will check that the combinations, conditions, what it is missing for this and all. It is some the field which is mandatory known for the conditions, access, pricing and all. It is telling that, okay. So so this is some customization. Okay. So this is why we will take the reference. Let's see if we can create because so many things it will check actually because customization level so many things it will be checked. So I'm executing this. I'm just referring that to all sales orders, anything which is there. I'll just refer any of the old order. Let's see if I can use that or not to create. reference and see if the data which is copying from there or not. Order copying that sales party and order number. Just copy. Let's see if we get organization divides from each other. Okay. Okay. Something which is coming. Okay. So we are finally getting the some pricing pressure issue. KOMP condition access sequence condition. So let me try VK11 PRW. The student bill to party material document type pricing group customer detail. Let's see customer material. And what's the number 8094? Let's see. Actually, I will be putting some €100 for this customer. So now I maintain this one. So let's try, but I'm not sure whether it will come or not. Let's try. So what is the time? It's too late. Okay, material. Okay, still I'm getting this issue. Even I maintain the pricing procedure. So what it is telling that it is standard only. The program uses the access sequence customizing setting KOMP, KOMP, PP sequence, PPGG. Okay, does not exist. So the access sequence what they use that it is does not exist. It is telling. So it again you have to go to pricing procedure, ST pricing procedure. So go to ST sales and distribution and go to pricing procedure. Where is the pricing procedure? Go to sales master data pricing procedure. Where is the pricing procedure? This will not come to here. No, don't come here. Let's see sales. And sales we have anything sales document. This is copy control. This is not copy control. Where is the pricing procedure? This is all item categories. Schedule lines, customer service, contracts. Actually, there was one transaction code for pricing procedure. Let me check once again. Not master data, basic function. Bonus, okay, pricing is there here, pricing procedure. So here, let me check here, condition table access sequence. So what they are saying that the access sequence which they are assigned for PR00, what is that? So I'll go for condition types. So PR00 is the this ME01, what is this ME01, PR00. Okay, so this combination is MA01 access sequence MA01. So this is one combination. So pricing reference material and billing party, bill to party. So what it is giving error here? VA01 42 KOMP KONTNBR PPFG. Where you got this PPGG? Still not understand. PPGG is access sequence. It is telling that access sequence. PPGG. Yeah. This PPGG it is coming. Why it is coming? I don't know. So, okay. Let me maintain this also. It is mandatory. PPGG. Let me maintain the with material, price, material, document type. Okay, let me maintain this as well. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, I think some customization they done. Configuration which is restricting the that. Make an entry in the mandatory field to maintain what it is. Did we maintain any 01 in the metal master? Sales data. No, we didn't maintain anything 01. Okay, so it's too late to you. We'll continue. It is not happen. But usually it will be should be allowed here, but it's not allowed. No problem.
Still there.
Still it is coming. Some customization they done, so they make sure that that is mandated to maintain. We maintain all the things, but still it is allowing, not allowing. So okay, so so if it is not happening now, we will take existing one and we will create. No problem. We don't need to spend much time on this one because we are not responsible for this ST. Okay,
Yeah.
somebody will create. We'll take one reference and why I'm creating this one. I need to do third party process. At least we started creating from my side, right? So at least we
Yeah.
can use that and so this PPFGG where it is coming I am not sure because Our pricing procedure is different, right? So why this access sequence which is coming PPGG? So if somebody they are using the PPGG, so we can remove that. At least we can remove and we can use that. Or at least we can't able to find that where we are using that the access sequence, price elements, access sequence. Let me check here PPG anywhere you are using. You can remove that access sequence. They are not using anywhere. Even PR00 also we are using the access sequence. PR01, PR00 is okay. MA01, this MA01 access we created and we are using this one. Or else we can delete PPMG. Let's try to delete PPMG, see how it works. In PPGG, let's where we are using this one. Let's delete this one. Cannot be deleted PPGG assigned to PPGG condition type. So this condition type PPGG come to PPGG. Just 2 minutes, we'll close. I think we are in. Just want to check that the pricing pressure we are assigned, that pricing pressure have the PPGG. Last check. So sorry, we are in wrong part. No sales. Okay, basic purchase. Okay, pricing control. So many things controlled. Okay, so all these based on the what we are assigned the pricing, all it will be based on that only. Where is the pricing pressure we are assigned? This exclusion. Okay, so assign document pricing pressure out to R is the okay, set up pricing pressure. R is the APPL, AP and what is that APPL? So these two combinations we are assigned this one GRBA1. So what we'll try to do, we are getting some problem with pricing pressure. So I'll check. Somebody they created PPGG, right? Let's check that PPGG is there or not there. I'll try to assign some other pricing buzzer. Okay, so last trial. If it is not happened, then we'll see it later. We'll copy from the existing one. Okay. I would like to show that how it works all. Okay, somebody they created customization and they are meeting some restrictions. So now that's gone. Okay, but the pricing buzzer is restricting that. I don't want to change there somebody pricing buzzer. Okay, so like we can enter that item, how much item we need, how much order quantity we need. Okay, and again go to that item details. Okay, header details and item details. Okay, all you can maintain all the information what it is needed, and you can see here a condition also. The prices from here it will come. Okay, we maintain the price, and it might be some conditions which is mandatory, so it will give the error. You have to maintain some prices and all, or it should be come from the automatically. Okay, so that conditions you can check and we can do that. Then and you can there is an option here what you can do, you can check incompletion logs here. If anything which is not maintained and it is telling that it is mandatory, you have to maintain all these things. Okay, or else it will be it will save, no problem, it will be saved, but after when you processing something it will come. Okay, so it will give the so many thing problems, so that's why you have to check all the things what it is missing and maintain that accordingly. Okay, so this is the one benefit in the sales order. They have to at least check that what it is missing, and we can maintain that loading date, all these things what is mandatory for that. Okay, you can put that. Loading must be takes place before goods issue. Okay, so after goods issue I'll put delivery date also 30th. Okay, no problem. Okay, so the so many conditions which is checking. Material availability date, material availability date. Okay. So transportation planning type, all somebody they put that is all mandatory. It's okay. So now it is checking that what it is mandatory, what it is not mandatory. Okay. Then save. Okay. Now the order was created. See, the order was created. This is a sales order. Okay. So so these are all with my own sales organization distribution channel division. So it is simple. We can create customer order by copying from existing one who created somebody, and we can do. But I just want to create with my own and my material and my combination. It will give that more ideas where it is missing, and we can understand that how we can create custom master card. Okay, clear?
Yeah. All right.
Okay. So now in the third party, what is difference is, okay. So usually when you created the sales order, okay, you can refer. You can see here down the sales order which is created, okay, and here how the process is differentiating. In the PO we have the item category, no? So same way we have here item category group. Okay, that item category group will give the clear picture of that what process you are doing, what type of customer order you are creating. Okay, and how it should be behaves that. So in our cases, okay, if you want to use that third party process, that means we are not delivering to the customer the goods. Okay, the delivery we are not delivering to customer. Somebody third party person, that means our vendor directly dispatching goods to the customer. So what is the process for the third party? The third party process is the vendor directly dispatching the goods to the customers, right? So how you are informing in the sales order, this stock should not be delivered from our plant. It should be go from the vendor side,
Okay.
because initially we are getting the customer order, we are getting the order from customer only, right? So they will get from customer only, right? All correct.
Yeah.
So here we have that item category group. Okay, that item category group will tell you that okay, you are using that whether standard sales order, that means standard customer order which we are delivering, or whether it is third party, or it may be free items, or it's something what it is there. All these options are there here. Okay, so that will give the item category group. Okay, clear?
Okay.
So that item category group, how it will be created, okay, it depends on the what you maintain in the metal master record. That means and when you're creating the material itself, you have to tell that okay, this is the we are going third party process. Okay, so here you have item category norms, right? This norms means standard order. Okay, if you go with that third party, you have to use the bands. Okay, so these bands you are using third party. That means this material, whenever you are creating any customer order, it is supplying from the some third party vendor. Okay, clear? So now
Yeah.
I have changed for this material. So now if I try to create, okay, if I try to create with the same material, okay, because I'm changing the material only, right? So here you can see there is item category group is there. Okay, this item category group automatically will come once I enter that. Okay, what you got here? TAS. TAS means it is a third party. TAS means it is a third party. If it is standard, it will be TAN. So let's see my own sales order which I created. The same data which I created with same material 8090, but you can see here, how to go down. Okay, you can see here you can see what it is coming, TAN, TAN, TAN. TAN means it is standard. Same material I am using before, it is coming TAN, now it is coming TAS. Why? Before why it is TAN, now why it is TAS, TAS? Because we are using that now item category in the metal master we have changed to bands. Before that it is not, now we are changed to task. So what is the why this item category impacted? When you are using this item category, the system will be trying to create the purchase equation in the background. What it is? It is creating the purchase equation. That means third party purchasing equation which it is creating. So if it is TAN, then it won't be create anything. It won't be created. By using this order, you can do deliveries. But if you are using the TOS, that means the bands, that is converted to TOS, that created in the schedule lines. Where is the schedule lines? In the schedule lines, here you will get the purchase requisition. Okay, I'm just saving here. Let's try. Enter. I'm just entering all the details. Edit. I'm just entering all the information what it is needed. Okay, so it's mandatory to some information which is mandatory CFR and Incoterms which is important. That is also I will be entering here. These are all putting under the maybe they are putting in the sorry. This, okay, I'll just remove this version. This is not item. Okay, Incoterms. It's not Incoterms. I'll go terms of payment. Then go to next. Pricing. So pricing some condition which is missing. Condition value. Okay. Why it's not? Okay. So now why the pricing which is not coming, because third party, right? So it's okay. So I'll put something 100. Let's okay. It's okay. Now I'll save this one. Okay, it's okay. Save. Now what will be happen? This order also created. This order also created. Okay. So this order created with what it is created? With TAS, TAS, TAS. What will be happen if it is creates? Okay. So if you go to this here, the delivery, okay, you can see here, it is created item category has a task, TAS task. So if it is created TAS, it will be go to schedule lines, it will be generated that, okay. So it should be generated that the purchase requisition, maybe the setup which is needed for purchase requisition, the purchase organization details, or maybe document type details that maybe it is missing, or something which is missing. Okay, so it will be create the select district lines. Why it is not created? Let me check that. Maybe price order quantity. We missed the order quantity. Okay. So now it is asking purchasing group. Who is the purchasing group? Why we need to give all this information? Because it is trying to create a PR. So we missed the order quantity. Okay. Now it's trying to create a here it will be trying to create a purchase equation. So let me save. Okay, what still it is there? Pricing it is coming wrong, but it's okay. Why? Because BKP 0 internal price was 0, because first time we are doing, no? So that's why system is telling that you don't have standard price and all. So that's why it is coming like that. I'll just try to maintain something. Statistical value, fight, deal, pallet discount, price. Okay, I'll just maintain this one. It won't come, I think. This will not be accepted. Okay. Anyway, I'll just maintain something. Okay, save. Okay, I'll just create and save. Okay, now I'll go again change display. Okay, so this cells are created, and cells are I'm going to schedule lines. The schedule lines, if you can see here, the purchase equation was created. See, this purchase equation was created. If you see the standard sales order, the purchase equation will not be created. Here purchase equation will be created. You can go to this and ME53N /N. What is the purchase equation? Click on ME53N. Go to ME53N and go to here and enter the purchase equation number. Now you can see this purchase equation created. What is the item category? Third party. Yes, this is a third party purchase equation. Okay. Now this order details will go to the vendor. Whoever their vendor is there, you can create PO and you can send to them. They are supplying the goods to whom they are supplying goods? Customer. They are supplying. So that's why account estimate category X is there. Why X is there? Okay. So because why it is coming like that? So this will not come to our store location, because the goods are supplying directly to the customer. So we are not getting. So what I said, if stock is not coming to our store location, we have to maintain the account estimate category. So that account estimate category which is coming. Okay, clear?
Okay.
And you can see the contact person who created. So if I didn't create it manually, the system itself created through ST, so it's coming sales and distribution why I created ST. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So, and go to account assessment tab. In the account assessment tab, you can see that some information, what it is needed, sales order number, what is the reference it is created. From this sales order number it is created. Clear? So this purchase request now you created, you don't need to do GR also, because you will not get the stock. Who will get the stock? Customer from vendor directly it will go. So we will not get the stock from vendor. Correct? Correct or wrong?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, because it's third party, right? Third party they are supplying. So this Amazon and Flipkart, what they are doing, they are taking orders and they are informing to that, okay, to a vendor, please send these goods to the customer directly. Okay, they are reducing the freight cost and everything, right? Clear?
Yeah.
So this is the way. You have any supplier is there? You can supplier. You have. Did you create any supplier? I'm not sure. This is new company code plan person. I don't think we created. If it's not there, then we have to create. No, we didn't create a business. We created a business partner, but we didn't create any supplier. Okay, so we can create a supplier and use that supplier and assign that. So now from the sales order, from the purchase request, all it is copied to the PO, and item level you can see that to the information. Okay, the material and quantity how much you order. Okay, and moreover you need to see here. I'll just close this one document overview. Account assignment tab, you can see the reference is there. You have, okay, the sales order reference is there and the item number is there. All the references are there. And
Yeah.
moreover, what is the delivery address here? What is the delivery address here? Who is the delivery address? Delivery to whom it is going. Generally, if created PO, it is the plant address or it is the
Deliver it to the
store location
customer.
address. But here it is a customer address. It's not
Yeah.
our plant address. Okay, so you need to go to. Why it is not coming? Delivery address. Okay, so go to delivery address here. You can go to customer number is coming. Why it is coming? Customer XYZ we created, right? Our own
Right.
customer. That customer number which is coming. See here you can see that address details which I maintained. Customer XYZ customer which I have maintained. So that customer number. That means if I am creating this PO, it will go to the vendor and informing that please send these goods to this customer directly. No, don't send to me.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
clear?
Yes.
So this is the third party procurement process. Okay, so we will not receive any GR. So we will not receive any GR, or we will not do any customer deliveries from our side. It is happening from the vendor side. We just creating PO and paying the amount to the vendor and receiving the billing from the customer. Okay, clear? So
Yeah.
once you have
Okay.
created BP supplier, you can use that supplier, create this PO, and send that PO to the vendor. Vendor will send goods to the customer directly. So that logical goods will be there. Then based on this sales order, our company, they will raise the billing to the customer VF01. This is VF01, which is using for customer billing. Okay,
Yeah.
so they will pay. Our side, we have to create MIRO invoice by using the PO to vendor to pay the vendor amount. So the difference between the vendor amount and the customer amount, the balance amount, which is our profit.
Yeah.
So we order, so the customer ordered some pen. The pen cost is $1. We paid to our vendor 0.75 paisa something, which is a dollar. So the balance which is 0.25, that is our profit, right?
Yeah.
So the
Yeah.
difference. So this is the way we can create a third party process and do. So main thing is only in the metal master data, you have to change the item category. Group has a, what is the item category group? Bands, BANS bands. So if you are not assigned at bands, then third party will not work.
Yeah.
Okay then, this is what, okay, we
This
close the call.
one is a long one.
It's not long one. It's not long one from our side. It's very simple topic, but you learn something like customer master record. You learn something like sales order creation. What is the difference in the standard and or
Yes.
third party? Because this is very important in the real time. Okay, if you're not aware about that standard sales process, tomorrow if you are working with some client and SD team, they are saying that everything it is MM, and from our side we are not aware about what transaction code they are using. It's very difficult, no?
Okay.
So at
Yeah.
least the basic things we need to understand. Okay, clear?
Yeah. It's a good one.
Good, good. Okay.
Maybe tomorrow I will not be available tomorrow.